Moscow, Russia. Can you tell us, Gusi? Please, Catapult pants, please hold on, okay? I'm bringing you in, okay? Let my sister test it finish, okay? Jaguar. Hell. Okay. Hold up, we're back. So, my sister, welcome back, Tessie. Please.
Thank you. So, where were we?
So, I said, lesbian. What do you have to say about the lesbian? What do you have to say?
The lesbian, you know, for me, I'm not supporting anybody, but the lesbians is also no good. You understand me? Because I don't know, but it's still the lesbian whole matter be say, it's still understandable. Because
please, don't be partial here, please. Don't imagine saying that you be woman. Don't be partial. Just say it the way you be saying man on, please.
Okay, it don't make sense. You know, good for you. No, it don't make sense because you see the shit on your husband. You understand me? You see they show sexual and emotional feeling to another person. You see they share your makeus with another person. Undermining anything, but it's they okay for you. Say okay, lesbian than gay. You understand me? As the word as large now, you see they okay. Say okay, lesbian. This person are lesbian. This person are gay. But if you don't marry, my sister, I don't see any people they will say they will get boy serious relationship. Where I know for this Germany, go they get serious relationship, but they know they fit stay without their fellow woman.
Whoa! Hold up.
They know they feel they stay without their fellow woman. They get serious.
You know them.
I tell you say I know them. They not go. They get serious boyfriend say they post to, but they still get girlfriend. But the girlfriend they get now cold. My bestie. But we not say. We not say no
bestie. No,
yeah, another thing they also that bestie. You understand me? So, you know.
So now, what is your advice? Please, advise.
My advice. You understand me, Zubi? If you are a boy, you are married. So, if you are a boy,
for the ladies, please, lesbian.
So if you have to work out, you want me to go attack me last. For the ladies, their sister, your mumu don't do. For me to you understand? Your mumu don't do. You understand? As penny is the sweet, you understand? Because let's say you know if you use this, might give example. You understand? But this one too fat. I know maybe they go say, okay, you know if you use this one, compare this one. You understand me? You see.
What did that white one represent?
This is my contact lens. Like
no, I said what did they use that?
Penis, bola, blockers. So
that's the one.
You know fit na finger. Woman when they use finger, they finger you. And man when they use energy, not nature energy. When we say human being, they on top of even though you go buy Dido, you go buy this thing, they use until they enjoy on themselves. When I say it no fit be like saying a man they do you. May we live, more no they fool ourselves, more no they fake am say that woman. Now because of say guess maybe say don't marry, they go outside. Maybe they know what they feel saying and the only pleasure maybe say they feel get, they say their conscience don't feel say judge, they say they shit on their husbands. Maybe say their husband, they feel they satisfy them. I don't know that you get my point. Maybe their husband, they satisfy them. They just they find small girls, so they masturbate, they touch them, they touch their breasts, they not be just for their conscience. They feel say their conscience go feel carry that kind of thing, not be like say they shit on them. You understand me? It's not thing be like saying a man they run now. We no say alpha babe. You know if you be like
someone say my ear don't fool.
You go full tired today. Let us start. You know if you be like say you and man, that emotion, that love, that those touch. Now man they run, a man know where you go pull am, do, touch. You know, you go feel am. You go. We don't get. I know they understand those or guess. We don't get am woman. I don't know whether it's possible. How woman want to do woman, we go take make her come. You take feel orgasm. You know if you feel orgasm. How you want to feel orgasm with your fellow woman?
They know they come. They know they come.
I don't know. I never test my brother. I don't know. Mass is where they grow. They call a Christian. A man that they do. I they do mass today. And I will do mass like that, my brother. I don't get what say I want to church. I don't get what say want make me sweat from woman.
So we need to hear from the lesbian whether they come or not. So if you're a lesbian, please feel free to send me a request. Or if you're gay,
maybe that they are enjoyment. But as me say so, I go. That man, I go do it like that. I don't get what you want me because I don't already feel, I don't already get the enjoyment. I don't already see him.
Someone say, is Stacy married? Please, someone say, is Stacy married?
I bet Zubi, yes. I don't marry. I'm not single.
She's married, please. She's married.
I'm married, yes.
Let me announce that one. She's married with 2 kids.
Thank you. So, my brother, my sister, if you be gay, like gay or not, don't remove.
You don't do. We don't hear you. Might another person.
You go to fuck your fellow man. Nash. They boss Nash anyhow. They. I beg, don't angry me for here. So for woman, enjoyment feed day because of the masturbation and the touchy. But for man, what enjoyment?
Thank you, my sister.
Thank you, my brother. Thank you, my brother.
God bless you. God
bless you too, my brother. My brother, me want to advise you because nobody you the advice person. Me want to advise you Zubi come. Zubi be bang.
And I'm here.
Any boy when you call liquor like this, you know what you go do? What you go do? You don't tell about say I cover my ass with the blood of Jesus. Just only that.
Holy Ghost fire on my Nash. Holy Ghost fire on my
fire there. Just the rebuke.
Thank you so much for joining us. God bless you. Keep watching.
You're welcome. I'm here.
Catapult Pants. Let me call Catapult Pants, please. She has been sending message, please. Catapult Pants. Please, guys. Hope you guys are learning. If you're a lesbian, feel free to send me a request. Let's hear it from you. Let's know whether they come or not they come.
That is small matter.
Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
My name is Catapult Pants, as usual. I'm calling from France.
Catapult Pants calling from France. Big shout out to you. Big shout out to my France family watching now. So that's the money question show with Don Zubi. It goes this way. If you find out your husband is a gay or your wife is a lesbian, what will you do?
Now already husband, we would already marry, finish, not be dating. Okay. Husband.
Go ahead.
Now instant divorce. As in, they're not they talk on 2 times, bros. I'll tell you one short story. When I newly entered Europe, my girlfriend will come together. His brother had already did Europe already. So based on the link up, I confess say, okay, may I try Asian like me too. I say, may I try follow up. I go greet him first time. We fuck. The second time where they go, because it's better on December 25th. And on December 22, that was just 2 months after I came to Europe. As I go, I want to do my hair. Now I reach Roma terminate. I had to meet this guy who I born for so. Now I meet on that day for salon. Now I do my hair. They work that time. So normal level, I go this guy said, I go they say I my boyfriend. Even when this guy they toast me, I tell him say I get boyfriend. I know they your good date. He toast me. Last now this say my boyfriend now I bought for. When they tell me say, come, that your boyfriend where you they carry for her. You know say not gay. I was like, not gay. I said not lie, not be gay. He said, no worry, I go prove that to you very soon. Another day gay call me. I did say you say this is your boyfriend not gay. Tell me say camp where he did. He get one Asian boy where still did there. Where be say now
Asian boy.
I'm telling you, my own brothers. I'm telling you the facts.
Yes. That information.
So my boyfriend got like he get one boy where they come together. Say the boy na Asian and the boy na gay. So they do this my old boyfriend now they do video call. Now that one come my old boyfriend got they tell him for say more this night yesterday night you hot to as in my hands they pepper because they use this and they talk and I don't know say person will stand near the boy na Asian which is my guy where I bought for so you understand the story. So as they talk, and then my boyfriend called like, man, look who they talk. Now they see that my ex-boyfriend so. Now he say, okay, see I tell this girl say this boy again, don't believe me. Now he call me again.
Oh, Asian people that attack you now. Someone say,
As in, not be small matter.
You know they do get from our place.
Who they talk down? Me, they tell you may not be Isha. Me person not follow me agree down. Me na Isha. They tell you say Isha boy. Now you run this one. Don't tell me what I know. I'm telling you the facts. So now so this boy do. I can see. I can still confirm man. This boy now based on me already they hear the matter. Me already they. I might already spoil for a man for his side. Me already they find way to break up with us. They just spoil my man instantly. I already they fall for this man. I got born for so. So one day now. Based on the boy don't yes, because even that say friend no say this in friend they toast me. I know say me, I did date your own friend. You understand the issue? So one day now I did this my ex-boyfriend call me say me don't break your heart, say like this now. Yes, say me don't get new boyfriend. Say for this so can't be girlfriend for there. So I don't really believe now. Say what did this guy really talk? Not true. But I want really confirm. Now this boy call verse, you can't say they go beach, you want go live for swimming for beach. True, this boy can't go live. My brother, now there for can't sick big girl. This boy your day like this. So if you see tight pants where this boy wear, you see the tight pants. Now some boy what they do, she broke my heart. Oh my god. My god, she broke my heart. Boy, I see my brother now I call shock. Now I call end the video. Now I call I say, guy, what did they stop? So true. You be gay. So let me forget that one. I never even ask her. Now so he said let me forget that one. Not I said, no, but they do live just now. Now what they me no, they do like snake, they do like this thing for water like that. What did they worry you now? Now I say, ask me don't come fire and what's what happen. Now I say, don't over, it don't just finish. Go your way, I go my way, my brother. So that one I'm dating now. They what if God say I don't already marry and finish? I don't get as what I feel break for dating. Why I don't feel break up for marriage?
He said the boy is from where? He said the boy is from where?
I just tell you what who want follow me agree. Na Ekpoma boy, me from Ekpoma. What did they worry?
From Ekpoma boy.
I be that matter. May I wear my catapult pants for you? What did they suck?
Wall up. Go ahead.
What did they suck?
This man don't read though.
What did they suck? I just tell you matter. Now Ishan boy. Me I be Ishan. I will say I know another tribe. I call my tribe because now Ishan boy. Ishan boy. They know they hide. I know they look back talker. They talk and life and direct. Whether they watch me, they watch me. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a prick and pussy. Now real facts. Ishan boys. Beneath boys. They do one. Don't follow me arguing. What are we not saying? My guy, if I call them marriage, marriage or no marriage, it don't fuck me finish, normal level, no wahala. It don't over. Because this same boy where they talk, it don't fuck me 2 times. So what are we not saying? My sister, my brother, I wrong, bad guy. I don't get problem with you saying you be gay, say I not be your friend. I can be your friend. I have friends, I get friends who be lesbian, who be say, I even love past some of my friends who not be lesbian.
Sorry. You say you still miss your ex. Asian people now they tell you, say my sister, I think Zubi is confusing you. You miss your ex-boyfriend. That's why I'm speaking about him.
I miss my ex-boyfriend. What are you saying? They talk something like they talk out of point. They talk something and I saw on comments because they talk anyhow. Not be una life. If una want talk, make they call on talk. Mona they hide on that comment. They talk rubbish. I yes, say boys don't they wear catapult pants now. Now all day on our body. Man, I wear like they wear for you. I not get. I not go like want to contain this thing now. Now they wear catapult pants.
So, my sister, what do you have to say about the lesbian? What do you have to say about the lesbian? Please?
The lesbian, I don't know. Everybody gets their own opinion. Me, I not say whether gay. I not the judge person. I not whether gay or lesbian bad or not bad. Everybody get left to live. Hey, I'm not be judged. Now God be judged. So if you know say you be lesbian, you be gay. Whatever.
No, lesbian. You are speaking about the gay lesbian. Why are you guys always running away from the lesbian?
No, I'm saying whether lesbian or gay, not the same thing now. Now the same thing. So if you be lesbian, you be lesbian for yourself. Now you know what you enjoy. You understand? But if you say as far as say me and you, I be your friend, and me and you never get one issue. You never really do me bad one day or anything. I not get any reason to judge you. I not be God. I not because see all these lesbian of 18, even all these gay. The ones where they do for underground, where they know they show on, now they're all worse past bros. All these lesbian where they show down, that make me say I know they judge because when you come at the end of the when you get close to them, discover these are people who are very, as in, I don't know how I want to talk. They are good people inside mad nine matter. The one will not be gay, will not be lesbian. They do you something. If they do you something, you go wrong. So I know they judge. What me are they look now the humanity where they inside the person body. Now me are they look. I know they look whether it be gay because the ones will not be gay. The one that they do for black, the one they do for back for underground, bros. They was they're not they show them. They're the ones who come they show their own. I know why they judge them. Now so they like. But what me I know say most of all this is what they happen. Europe matter join with this spread there because all this Oyibo. But at the same time, not be everything what Oyibo do. Not be what they copy. They get good part of the things what Oyibo they do. So you feel copy, you feel say okay, now good thing to do. But not be everything what Oyibo they do. Not be you just copy because they even destroy. Now they even they destroy the world. They go. You understand? But me, I dey imagine how some boys go how your prick will really taste and the way Tracy takes. So can the Tracy finish for now make me not to deliberate on the matter. You talk the one way me see from with my own eye. Not be said they tell me. You understand? So anybody, whatever you are, gay or but no, you can go not use and spoil my own. Not gonna use your own taste spoil my own. If you want, we live in one love, one peace, one marriage. That's how I am. We are one Africa. We are one family as far as I'm concerned. But when you want to use your own, they spoil my own. Like me now, when they say they smoke igbo, I never feel smart. Not smoke igbo finish now. They insult people. No, I don't feel so good now.
Which question you want her to answer? Write it again. Okay, let me read it as a
okay. Can you please answer the question?
Answer? Someone say, can you please answer the question?
Okay, which of the
question? Share today's topic. You know the answer I'm already.
Zubi, you need to cover your young show.
That one, I don't cover them already.
No, be small matter.
I beg, right on. Someone say I beg, right on.
Make you remove that mask for free. I beg, literally leave my catapult mask. Now your mask, is it your face?
My sister,
is it your pants?
Just 2 minutes, 2 minutes, advise them, both, okay. The gay and the lesbian.
So my advice to gays and lesbian. Whatever you do it with sense. Anything they do. They say even if you not get money, try get sense. You understand? Even my friend when they talk say be lesbian. I love that girl so much. Me and my guy don't go house, go spend like how many days with flares. She not give me problems. She not use her matter anything. For that 3 days where we did, so she respect us, she respect herself. Now it make me like that girl. Till tomorrow, she will forever I'll still dey proud say she's my friend. She be lesbian. I don't give a fuck. I don't judge. But the one will not be lesbian.
You have a friend that is a lesbian?
Yes, I said it earlier on. Yes, I have friends that are lesbians, and I don't give a shit. They have never used their whatever to give me problems. So I don't have right. I don't see why I should judge them. The ones will not be lesbian. You know what? They don't use my eyes.
So wouldn't be your advice now for that your friend now? Because wouldn't be your advice now for that your friend that is
my advice be say anytime where her meds, anytime where she don't do what she want, what she they do, she don't tire. Make she still remember say she go bump picky. I don't know what to tell her. I not be that kind of person. If she not say she go bump picky, she go bump picky for this life as it get where they go do and reach, they go tire. I did not me they tell you. It get where they go, especially we Nigerians with they come they do. I get where we go do and reach, we go now we go tire, and then go tire. Get where I talk.
It just says your friend go tire. How many years now?
I not there inside her mind. Like I said,
how many years now? You know
their own choice, but that doesn't stop me from being friends with them. You say?
How many years now you know her with lesbian?
I have known her. We came together. When we come together, she not be lesbian. So now when she enter finish, now me call this and say she be lesbian. That is for almost about 3 years now.
3 years lesbian.
Mm-hmm. And she's my remember this word. She is my very, very, very good friend. I would trust that girl past normal friend will not be lesbian. Yes, so I trust her.
You can go on your page now. If you see her picture.
No, not go see her picture. You are not allowed to do that. Because thank you
so much with your time with us. God bless you. Keep watching, okay?
No problem. Thank you very much.
Three years lesbian. Nah, my brother, that 3 years don't tell. It's just say this girl feel leave this lesbian. Basically, what they do at 3 years. It's just say she feel leave and that's why I asked how many years. It's just say she feel tired. You know, 3 years lesbian, no be 3 days lesbian. My sister will even call us today. We talk say she do am for 1 year. We even seen her. Hold
Mr.
up, hold up, hold up.
Zubi,
Morning,
good
afternoon,
afternoon.
please.
Good
Tell us your
afternoon.
name and where you're calling us from, please.
Okay, my name na Flozy. I dey come from Moscow, Russia.
Your name is Flog?
Flozy.
Flogsy,
Yeah.
calling from Moscow. Big shout out to you,
Yes.
my Moscow family watching now. So don't take many
Okay.
questions show with Don Zubi. The topic goes this way. If you find out your husband is a gay, what will you do?
Okay. Fine. My husband, not be boyfriend. If I find out my husband are gay, I don't will even think am 2 times. Not to do away with him. Whether I get picking for him or I not get to, I will tell the man, so you find your way. Since you choose man over me and your family, so fine. Get out. And being a lesbian or gay, I see nothing wrong there. I don't see anything there wrong. Now choice. Now waiting you want.
Hold up. You say you don't see anything wrong, but you will divorce your husband.
I don't see now a choice. Now a choice. Now waiting you want. Now waiting you like to do. So since he prefer man over me, I'll let him go meet the man. May do it whatsoever when say you want, anything when you like. So being a lesbian or gay na choice. Not be spirit. According to your second caller, he said na spirit, not be spirit. I don't see anything there wrong for there. So if I prefer to fuck dick, na my life. If I prefer to the give head, to the lick pussy, na my life. So not be spirit, not be anything. Na just your choice. Now your decision for life. And some girls they because of what guys don't do them, say yes, this guy don't break my heart, don't do this one. So the professor they'll swear with their life, say I don't will ever fuck dick. I'll they lick pussy or I'll be lesbian. I get girlfriend like that. Girl when they date, dating the guy use the girl I see. I don't go fit talk her. But later on she made decision, say she not go ever date boy.
Sorry,
she not go ever fall in love.
Someone say, but if you na your boyfriend, you no go do away with him.
If my boyfriend are gay, I don't get how I use and do. You know if they fuck me, go they fuck Nyash. With the same dick, Abby. I don't get how I use and they do. I don't be lesbian. I get boyfriend, dick the sweet. So I don't get how I use and they do. This one they say not them. Not them for waiting.
You ask person say, what I'm saying your boyfriend, so you know you go still the friend them. If you find out say
now wait till they talk. If I find out say my boyfriend are gay, I don't get what I use the boy they do. You know if they fuck me, you go they fuck Nyash, they fuck another guy. I don't get what I use the boy they do.
Okay, you go leave him.
Yes, I don't get what I use and they do. I don't get what I use the boy they do. So I don't know. To me, I don't see anything wrong being a lesbian or gay. But just na decision, na choice. Life na choice. We get choice. So na choice. Okay.
So
just my advice to them. I don't need to. Everybody get their choice. I don't need to advise you say may you do this, more may you do that. Now you know what you want. You know what you want for life.
My sister, you keep saying choice, and that choice you do not like the choice. You say you divorce your husband because of
nobody will tell you what you go do. Nobody will tell you. Nobody will advise you what you go do. So me divorce. I divorce my husband because he don't make your choice. Say he won't be gay. So I don't feel abide to that rules. So I know say it go hard and it will hurt me. But I don't get choice than to divorce and since he said in life not to become gay. So it might not go fit there with man, the other one will there with me. I don't go fit they share my husband with any other person. So I let him go. Now your choice be that. And my own choice, I go still divorce him. So everybody we get choice. I don't go fit advise anybody say do this one, do that one, do this one. No. If you say you want to be gay or fine, if you say you want to be lesbian or fine, good for you. Now what you want. Since you say now what you they enjoy. So
do you have this experience? Because the way you are saying some things like with fire. Do you have the experience?
I have so many friends. I have so many of them. I get boyfriend. So I don't be lesbian. I get so many friends when be lesbian, when be gay. So
where are they? In Nigeria or where?
I get some for Nigeria, I get some for Italy. So I get so many of them. And we dey talk. So I dey follow. So na choice. Now what you want? Now
Where
what
are
you
you at
want?
the moment? Where are you at the moment? Do you have any of them as a friend?
No, not yet. No. So now what they want? I don't know if you tell and say, babe, this thing they do not good though. You they lick pussy or you they use vibrator or anything. You not good. I don't know if you advise her like that. So now what she wants? I don't feel advice. I don't feel advise anybody. May do it. So everybody get their own way of living. We get life to live. So now just small thing when I get maybe that.
Thank you,
I don't need to talk
Thank you
too
for your
much.
point. You say you will divorce. You don't want to hear. You don't even want to help the guy. You
No,
will divorce.
help do it. Now life with that, now choice.
Thank you so much for your points. Keep watching, please. This
Okay,
lady is on
Zubi,
fire.
bye.
My sister, use you. Ago, please, I'm calling Ago after this call. Okay? Please, guys, all this choice. Do you believe it's a choice? For me, nothing like choice here. It's a spirit. Hello?
Oh, sorry. Good morning.
Whoa, up. Good morning. Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
Monica, I'm calling from Russia.
Monica calling from Russia. Big shout out to my Russian family. Big shout out to everyone that's been watching from Russia. So, my sister, just a money question show with us. If you find out your husband is a gay, what will you do?
If I find out, first thing I have to.
Please, can you tune your tune a bit? Just hide your volume, please.
Okay. If I find out, first thing I will do, I have to call my husband. We'll sit down as husband and wife. We go talk about him. Why? Wetin happen? Why you not tell me? You understand? Why you waste my time? Why you make me fall in love with you? Maybe children even they safe. See now we don't get kids. Wetin go come happen to the children? You get me? So.
About the person. Go ahead, my sister.
So, most of the people when be gay, me I don't know whether not spiritual. I don't know whether not their choice. All I know say the most people when be say I don't hear them. I don't get friends when be say not gay. You understand?
Whoa!
Yes.
Please? Where?
In Nigeria, in Russia, I don't get friends when be say they be gay. You get?
Yeah, in Russia.
Yes, he's not a Nigerian guy.
Go ahead.
I don't. So most of the people when they say they be gay, they were abused when they were growing up. You get me? Some uncle for one corner, they finger their nyash. They choke them for nyash. So when they grow up now, they get that feelings. They don't get that urge for those anal sex already. So most of them when they say they be gay, if you ask them why they be gay, they go tell you say they were abused when they were growing up. Most of them were abused when they were growing up.
Monica, who be the gay friend for Russia?
He's no longer in Russia anymore. But I met him in Russia here. I met the guy in Russia here, but he's no longer here. He's a very great guy. You get? He's a very great person. Yes, he's a good person. You understand? Being gay does not mean you're bad or.
Please, is he your boyfriend?
Zubi. He's not. I said he's gay. This one is gay. He's my friend. He's gay.
Do you have any contact, any affair with him, or just normal?
Why would I have an affair with him?
Okay, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead.
Because he's gay. They like girls. If he did my front now, they feel free. You understand? So I'm not God to judge anybody. I won't judge anybody. You get me? Nobody, none of us be God. So all those gay issues, most of them they're just from childhood, from small pikin, they were abused. So if you find out say your husband are gay, you go call him, sit down. Why you be gay? Can we work things out?
Someone say nothing great about him, Jare. Go ahead.
So
just go ahead.
You go call and now go sit down and go talk things. You understand? Talk things. If you can work things out, no problem. I'm not going to deprive anybody from your happiness. Maybe not the one they give her happiness. I won't deprive it because I'm not God. After all, now God will judge all of us. So I won't judge him. You understand? If now gay make him feel comfortable, my dear, please go. Leave me in peace. You understand? Let me find my own husband that will give me my own peace and love. If you're not gay, you should go. But first thing, when you find out, not shout. Sit down, talk about it. If you can work things out, if you can change, even they read testimony when the girls now even they buy a dildo safe. Now the girls go they help them with the dildo they do their nyash for her so that they're not go they go outside. You get so many things. Then when you can, if the man decide to stay, of course you work things out. You talk about it. You work things out. So there's not you. Who are we to judge? Who are we to judge? So for the lesbian parts, me I don't know for the lesbian part too, because not concern me for that one. Any question?
So please, can you kindly advise the gay, the lesbian and the gay, please? Kindly advise.
Skip point like a proco. Yeah. With advice.
Someone they are still writing it too. You know, you say it always there for you with you. It always tell you something. The guy they even pull up everything in your front. They change clothes.
Yes,
the guy they change clothes for your front.
Yes, you know the fish shy. Yes, we be free. You know the fish shy, and I not make my house be. They come my place. You understand? I not make him feel uncle because he's gay. I'll be like, oh no, gay. God forbid, Batty. I'm not gonna hear you. No, he was.
No.
If it's guy, they shame. But for we the girls, yeah, they naked for our front. You get me. And of course, I can't judge that person. And I was free with him too.
You too. He they change clothes for in front.
Now again, now waiting one for my body.
No. He they change clothes for in front.
Yes, I they change clothes for in front.
Whoa,
yes.
Hold up. Go ahead.
Yes, because he's gay. You don't me not the I know they attract the guy. You understand? Me, even if I'm naked for a year, from rub cream from head to toe, you know, nothing will move the boy. Nothing will move him. You get, because he's gay already. And when I when I heard the story, you understand? Now from small, somebody don't they penetrate them. Someone stupid uncle for one corner don't they penetrate them, don't they finger, don't they use something they touch. So he now don't ready they feel, you don't ready, you understand? You don't get that urge for only.
Skipper, you know the guy.
Skipper not know the guy because the guy not in Russia again, don't go Nigeria. He studied here in Russia, he graduated, so now he's not, I said Nigeria, he's not in Nigeria, he's in South Africa now, he's not here. He's a South African guy.
So you guys we are like he's a gay, you are into man. So nothing serious, you can pull your clothes. The ladies too. Okay, he not seeing himself as a lady. You know, make I call him lady. The Mr. Lady, we also pull his clothes. Hey.
Why you they judge them? It's now way to make the comfortable.
As you find, and wait, I just want to make a small one point. As you find like this, and you say it's not a spirit, you say it's a choice. As you find like this, you naked in a man front, in removing eyes, simple say him be gay. Oh, no.
You know, but if guy they pass like this, he go shy, go quick cover. You understand? If guy they pass, he go shy, go quick cover. He use towel cover his body so that the guy not go see him. But when we did there with that, go just free, you know, dress, use cream. You get me? He was very free with me. But if guy just they pass, I go just run cover. I'm shy. Close the door, close the door, Monica. Close the door. You get. So I don't know. No, he was abused when he was growing up though, so that was why he became like that. So most of them, my own take of in this gay people, most of them were abused by their uncles, by their aunt, by their friend, one person for one corner, neighbors. So that's why they're like that now, and they can't stop it. They don't already they enjoy that. That's from behind something. So now it's difficult.
Sorry, one last question, please. You don't ever see him when they do it with him follow man.
God go judge you, Zubi. So make I go look. Content.
No, I don't ask you whether you know him boyfriend, you know him follow gay mate, him follow gay. You know.
No, man.
Huh?
No.
No, you lied. Please don't lie here. Please don't lie here, please.
See.
A guy that naked in your front, that open up to you everything. You are telling us that you do not know him follow gay mate. My sister, you are lying.
See, Zubi, Zubi, I know they lie. Really, I don't know the guy, person, but I know I noticed that na Russian guy now they do am with, not be with African guys. You get, they do am with Russian guy.
Okay, you do one with Russian guys.
Yeah, they do am with Russian guy, not be with African guys. The guy is from South Africa. He's in South Africa right now. You know, South Africa. Most of South African people they be gay. Most of the guys there in South Africa, some of them are gay. So it's common in South Africa.
She won't join lesbian. He said, Monica, Sandra Peter, your daughter says she won't join lesbian. How you see the matter? Oh, the first one.
So lesbian. To me, lesbian people now those people be say that they like all this. I don't know how to put it. Maybe they like all this kunilingu something. You understand? That they like when man they give them head. So if they not see man when you go give them head, maybe their fellow girlfriend they don't give them. I don't really know. To me, I find those lesbian thing irritating. You get? I know the which one waiting woman one can they lick where. I know if you stand down now. You can lick where. Lesbian for what?
Monica won't kill this guy with the black soup. Where the guy run. Okay. So my sister, you say you don't have any advice for the lesbian and for the gays?
No. We are not. It's their own choice. We not be 90, 70 something again. Everything we do now, it's your own choice. You understand? If it makes you happy, do it. I'm not gonna say I dare against. You understand? I don't dare against anybody. If it's your happiness, if you understand, just do what makes you happy. After all, now God go judge. Who am I to judge? After Pope Francis say we are all human beings. So what me can get to say in it?
Thank you, my sister. Thank you for sharing this wonderful topic with us, story with us. Thank you for also contributing. God bless you. Keep watching. Please, guys, you want to still say something? Please listen to this song, okay? Konji go keep person by Freezy Baba. Konji, hey, please, I'm coming, okay? If I come now, I'm picking the call, please. Freezy Baba, still continue to keep person. Please keep your person coming, okay? I'm coming 1 minute. What's happening? What's happening? Please, if you're gay, feel free to send me your request, okay? I'm calling Agu JB now. If you're gay, feel free to send me a request, okay? Big one coming from Freezy Baba. Say, continue to kill person. Put something, make I put something. Good morning.
Hello.
Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
Na controversial Ago here is talking, you know.
Controversial Ago, please, where are you calling us from, sir?
From Moscow here.
Oh, from Moscow City. Big shout out to my Moscow family, man. Not too much. So, sir, just a money question show with Don Zubi. Our topic goes this way. If you find out your wife is a lesbian, what will you do?
Before I answer this question, Zubi, there some mistake you made here? You understand? Number one, you're supposed to be in the middle of any topic you bring. You don't need to side any part. You understand? Because when people are coming here talking gay, fuck this man, and should go for this one, you go they shout, you go they say four. You don't need. You need to be a gentleman. You need to be between all the issue. You don't need to side. It make people.
I'm not siding anyone, sir. But if I see the one very no good, I go talk on that, Baba.
Nothing like no day good. See, Zubi. Zubi, you don't decide. You don't need to decide which one day good or no day good. If you watch what everybody call it, everything is choice. Because this thing you are doing now, it's not only most people are watching you. It can make people from learning from you. They will shy to talk something they want to talk from their mind because the way you act, it shows them. They're good and they tell you the truth. You understand? You know the way you be. It's not supposed to laugh anyhow. It's not supposed to be. You just be serious. You know, get point because we're here to educate ourselves. You understand what I mean now? We are not coming here to cause people or to hear people that are doing this or doing bad. Nobody's perfect in this life. You get my point? And so, for my own opinion here, Zubi, let me tell you, you said that before a man and a woman were married together. Let me tell you, now, the generation we are now, not generation of our parents, where our grandfather will find wife, our father. Now, you will find wife by yourself or find husband by yourself. Even now, some couples will live even 2 years, 3 years before they're married. So are you telling me all these years you're living with this man or this woman, they don't know who the woman is? You get my point? So before you marry somebody, you already know the person. You understand? So if you know the person, why can you marry a gay and after you marry and after you divorce because it's a gay? But I want to tell you something about this gay matter. You understand? There is people that inborn gay in their house, inborn lesbian. Inside their body, inside there, they are complete woman. You understand? So they are man, they are woman inside, but if they see them outside, they carry prick. You understand? They are woman. You get my point now? But you see, the way African people see gays is not the way people recognize gays. You understand? Some African people, they do it because of work, to make money. You understand? Then some they make them. Some African people, they make them because of the occultism they enter. You get my point now? It's different ways. You understand? A gay can never marry a woman. And a lesbian can never sleep with a man in her life. Unless she change.
How they take the bond, sir? How they take the bond, sir?
What?
How they take the bond? How they take the make children?
If you watch the program of gay too much, for that they adopt children. You understand? They adopted children. They don't born, they adopt children. You understand? That's why sometimes this program, you get some program where you go talk here and you affect even your program here. People who come here talking rubbish that if you fuck somebody, go nyash, go flow, make you know they do, and they give you just advice when they affect. There's people that are doing it. You understand? There are people they born them gay. There are many they born them gay. They can't change them. You understand? Even if like what Monica said here, you understand? Even if gay they here, believe me, they will. Even if they're naked. Even if a princess, Miss Nigeria or Miss World, they naked in front of them, you know, go check their body. You understand? You know, go check their body. So what I want to say here is that they are born gay, but they are woman. They are man in physical, but inside them they feel like a woman. The same thing, woman. You understand? But somebody, when a gay and gay marry together, you understand? They adopt children. It's common for them. When lesbian marry together, they adopt children. They can't do anything with a man or with a woman in their life. You get my point? If all this way they talk here, say somebody come marry gay, somebody they do gay, all then they do even Moscow here they do it. It is that only girls they do hustle for this Moscow. Men, some boys they do here. No, not they differentiate things. You understand? So it gets on topic. You will see. You will jump on it. You understand? We go bring because you yourself. Why I'm saying this? We are not ready to controversial issue because there's some issue like you get one day they're talking about Nigeria situation, economic, political Nigeria. Don't mention Nigeria. It means that you don't want controversial. If you know belong in controversial, you can make. What you want from
do you know why I said that? Do you know why I said that? Instagram give me some warning one time ago, but now I think it's okay. Now they understand the program. That time I just start the program, but now they understand that only Nigeria issue I'm talking here. So we can speak about Nigeria now. We can tell them what we want to do. We can tell them what they are not doing right, sir.
So what my own advice for this program today, you understand? People that come in here, cursing people that gay or feel that lesbian, it's not a good word to talk. It's choice. It's what you decide to do, you do. You understand? And a lot of, let me tell you, our people, we pretend so much, especially our people in this Moscow. A lot of girls do it in Moscow. A lot of boys do it in Moscow. But they come here now. The first girl we talk today, say that you do it in Nigeria. You understand? Believe me, if by this time now, she don't go talk this time because the abuse when if they see comment, the abuse when they abuse people when they do it, she don't go. They plan can't talk. Sometimes we manage the way we do things. You understand? I'm not a gay. I can never be a gay in my life. But I know I guess whatever you be. We are in 21st century. Get my point now. But somebody come here. Which advice are you giving a gay?
Sir, please. What if you find out your wife is a lesbian? What will you do, sir?
You better let me tell you. There's two. You get some. Sometimes you take only scandal comment here. They ask. They ask normal comment. You delete. You don't get delete better thing. Do you know that in Nigeria, married woman fuck girls now because men gossip too much because their husband will never know because Nigerian men don't have time for their woman. You understand? Even here in Moscow, so a lot of us don't have time for their girlfriend or their woman. You understand? So the only thing to do to make their man no say that they follow their own girl so that their man can never know say that they do such thing. You understand? If girl and girl, they sweet them. People can come there say sweet them. Everybody get what they sweet them. You get some girl where girl they sweet. So they do it for money here, but they will come to this forum now. Everybody go play dick. You understand? Sometimes we learn. Let me tell you, in this forum where we there now, we get some people that study very well, educated very well. You understand? When this such thing come out, they'll come and break it down for people. You get my point now. What they call gay. A gay can never marry any woman in his life. The same thing a lesbian. What thing would they see with our eyes? Would they see for street or they do people they do for Moscow? It's for fun or for money. You understand? It's for fun or for money. They are not gay. They are not lesbian.
So, sir, if you find out your wife is a lesbian, what will you do, sir?
I can never find because before I marry him, I go know what she be. So it's a reasonable question if they ask me. Before I marry him, I go know who she be. Before I marry him, I tell you the fact. Because some people know the intelligent here, they just answer question for nothing. How can you just marry a man who be gay? You don't know say he be gay, but man wait it up to 2 years. You don't know say they do.
Some people can marry within 6 months or 4 months. So some people can even marry in 1 month. It's not everybody that have that time to friend for like.
Zubi, let me tell you, as I told you, this is not 19th century, we're the 21st century. Any woman when they marry, when they date a man, before you ditch marriage, they don't live together. They share things together. You will know the man. Even the way he talks sometimes in the phone, even the what is the weird, the way they behave, say this man don't go back.
My brother, sometimes you will not know. You may not know. You may not know sometimes.
Let me tell you, you see, girls there in this forum, you understand? Then they date a man. What will they do for us to not be dating? No be dating, we they do. They leave dating, you understand? This that way when you start dating a man, a woman in Moscow is when a man decided to
Some
live
people
alone.
can pretend for years. Someone says some people can pretend for years.
Listen, Zubi, listen to me. You see life, the day where any man who respect woman in this Moscow, when a man start living alone, your girlfriend will come to your house, now only you live. You respect them. When I play anything well, I want. Don't be say your girlfriend will come to your house, your friends will be there for kitchen, they smoke. The guy not going to relax in mind, do what they want to do. So I don't want to comment in this thing, but I want to differentiate them. What is gay all about? They people they bomb gay, they bomb as a gay, but they bomb as a gay, but it's the woman inside, but outside they are men. Go to Thailand. Go to Thailand. You see somebody who go to carry penis. You see a lot of things in this life. You understand? If you see this program, if you do this program in Western country or Thailand, they go kill you. Or those people when they come here, they say, make it no fault. If you fuck, you have to go fall down. This and that. All this don't need. It's not what we need here. You understand? So anyone where somebody they do make it, they do it's own life. You understand what I mean? So, but what I want to tell you is that this such program is a sensitive program. You understand? Make you know they laugh when they talk, so that it will make somebody when they talk, they're proud to talk in mind. Because if somebody they talk, if they laugh, if they make them feel say they're stupid.
No.
You know?
My life. If you want to talk. If you want to contribute,
they laugh.
Even the laugh go even make you to even come out and talk. Because if I'm dead serious, you know go lie talk. So
what I'm saying here, see, my own opinion. If you ask somebody advice, you understand? Make the person know they insult gay or lesbian or anything where somebody they do. You understand? Make know somebody come here. They tell us if you fuck man, you need to go tear. If woman, you need to go tear. Where you man go? All those it's not advice. Yeah, you already put him insult. You already talking something. You're not wise.
Okay,
we
sir.
talk maturity.
Okay, sir. Please, I will still bring you. Okay, thank you for your contribution. But you know, you never answer the question, sir. You never answer.
Which question?
If you find out your wife is a lesbian, what will you do?
At least I'm not going to answer your question because I don't be stupid. If I marry my wife, I go know what she be.
Okay,
I go marry the
thank you, sir.
Bye.
Hey, can they tell Gusi? Oh, please, please, 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes, okay? Because we don't have time. Our Agomba do not want to answer our question. He say he no go answer. Lie. Zagi, I will call you. Our brother Ago say he will not answer the question. Lie. Please, just a money question should be done, Zubi. Our topic goes this way. If you find out your wife is a lesbian, what will you do?
Actually, this question is very difficult, but I think if my wife can cheat on me, then I have the same heart to forgive her. Then I'm very sure if I find out that she's a lesbian, I might forgive her. You understand? I might forgive her because I think like lesbian is more better than cheating with my fellow man. I don't know if you understand what I mean.
Okay, it's more better than cheating with your fellow man.
Yeah, of course. And secondly, some people were saying like a real lesbian and not a real lesbian. What is real lesbian and not a real lesbian? Lesbian
okay,
is
thank you for that question.
Lesbian is lesbian as long as you can have sex with your fellow female. You are a lesbian, whether you're married or you don't marry, you are a lesbian. So that one is another point. Secondly, the last person that I just called, he mentioned of like before you're married, you must know if your wife is lesbian or whatever. But believe me, we are humans. We are even me, sometimes I don't even know myself. I don't just know myself. Talk of your wife. It's not everything you will know about your wife, believe me, because I'm married. You understand? So your wife can be a lesbian without you knowing. Lesbian, they don't write it on face. Don't think maybe if a guy receive a call like like a female, that means he's homosexual. No, no. Some people are gifted like that. Some men, they speak like women, but that does not mean they are homosexual. And
Okay.
people accuse them that they are homosexual. So if my wife, she's a lesbian, I discovered, I will try by all means to forgive her, and I will also try if I can change her. You understand? But before then, I will try to seek advice from people, and I will pray about it. So
Okay.
to me, lesbian is a lesbian, whether lesbian that is married, because like here, this country I'm living now, in fact, is one of the biggest country that the whole world know as a homosexual and lesbian country. And believe me,
Whoa! Please, which
yeah,
country is that?
Holland, Netherlands,
Holland.
yeah. And
Go ahead.
believe me, a lot of them, they married.
Oh, you say Holland. Okay.
Yeah, many of them married. You understand? But they are still doing the two because they have different types of lesbian. Some can marry, but they still do the same thing. They says both female and male. So if you want to describe those people now, simply because they married, are they not still lesbian? I know they are lesbian. Those, there are many, they don't have time, like they don't have time with guys. Some men, they don't have time with ladies. They are like that. And if you look on it, it's two sides. Just like the same thing like men. You will see some men that is married, they will still go and date outside. But that does not really mean all men date outside. No, there are real men that if they married, they don't have time for another ladies. So these are the things we need to know. Lesbian is a lesbian. Whether you're married, you are still having sex with your fellow female, that does not mean the person is not a lesbian. So that is my point.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much for your points. And what will be your advice for them?
Yeah, actually, like, lesbian or homosexual is not really good, but especially we Nigerians, Africans, you understand, we take it like it's a forbidden thing in Africa. You understand? And my advice is, it depends on, is an individual. If you have the spirit or the mind to forgive, you can forgive. But if you don't have the mind to forgive the person, if she's your wife, you can send her to leave your house. So my advice is, what you know you can do, if it's to forgive her, will be okay for you, you can forgive her. If it's to send her out, will be okay for the man or the woman, then the person will decide. But as for me, I think if it happens, I will consider my keys, then I will forgive her.
Someone has a question. Holland is still on this winter.
Yes, of course. Since day before yesterday and today, the weather was so cold.
Okay, my brother, God bless you for joining us. God bless you for your points. Please keep watching our show, okay? God bless you.
All right, thank you very much.
If we don't hear, I'm saying stay there on winter. Say everywhere is cold, okay? Jacqueline, send me your request. After this, my lady, I'm taking your call. I have to take more 3 calls before I end today's show, okay? Please join me every 11 a.m. Moscow time, okay? I have shifted the time from 10 to 11. Good morning, good afternoon. Please tell us your name and where you're calling us from, please.
My name is Yemisi from Libya.
Your name is what?
Yemisi from Libya.
Yemisi from Libyan. So go ahead, my sister. Does a money question show with Don Zubi? If you find out your husband is a gay, what will you do?
If I find out my husband is a gay, I will stop. I will tell him to stop. And if he doesn't stop, I will leave him.